To begin, go to the main library webpage, lib.fsu.edu. Choose Find and Borrow from the top menu, then select ILL Search. Enter your search terms and select the title of the resource you'd like to view. On this page, look for Article Request through Interlibrary Loan. If it's available, you'll be able to request it. When you select this option, you'll be redirected to sign in with CAS authentication and then redirected to your Interlibrary Loan account. If you don't already have an Interlibrary Loan account, please fill out the information in the form and it will be created. Confirm your pickup location and then select Submit Information. This will create the account, but you still have to request the book separately. Confirm all the information in the article request form is correct, then scroll to the bottom of the page and select Submit Request. You will receive an email when the book or article is ready to be picked up, and you can always check its status in your Interlibrary Loan account. Make sure to keep the physical slip with any physical items, as you will need it to return the book later. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to stop by the libraries and ask.